Explores. Scores. O di na. Explore. Moves. Next, ordinary form by adding
Form. Number 1 is ordinary form. Form by adding D or ED to the base from form of a regular verb varied form with irregular verbs. Number 2 is emphatic form. In that way, form the verb repeat. Repeated again was or were plus
Okay, thank you. Madali lang, pag regular, just add D or ED. Pag emphatic, okay, emphatic, at ang mga do that, in the present tense, did the past tense. Even as negative, didn't or did not. And I, not shall. Number 6. You are what for singular subject, where for plural subject, plus verb, plus ing. Example, next. Next, example, progressive. What, that, or where, plus verb, ing. Kasi kung mo wala lang lang. What, running, running what? I was running fast. Whenever the bell rings. Around. Whenever the bell rings. Past tense. Ordinary. I endured. I did endure. Bago. Wala na sa hindi ha. Kaya na. Tulog na rin. Hindi lang po tulog ka. Progressive. I was touring Bali last summer when we left. It shows past tense.
was story. Was story.
Speaking of tulog, lagi yung paano sa pati kung di ordinary. Ano ang that expression? Ingati. That expression. Kailan nangyari?
Last summer.
Last summer. Ano to? Ganyan. Madali lang sa sunod. Ganyan. What girl? Master. Regular and irregular. Okay. Regular and regular. Okay, what's regular? Right foot, right throat, bend. Sino nagambal namin din bend below? Sino nagambal din bend below? Okay, kasi rin. Ano yung mga ko yan? Ang gano'n ko sa may pang. Sige, sa foot. Okay,